If I become disabled as a dentist, I'll make $160,000 until I'm 65 years old, tax-free, just cash money. And in the rider, I'm allowed to work another job, like I can work at Safeway, at a grocery store, and I'll still collect my $160,000 a year on top of my salary. It's very difficult to get that money. You can't have any pre-existing conditions. So I got this when I was 33. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or history of cancer or history of depression, your premiums will go up. My friend got Hodgkin's lymphoma in dental school, and she can't get approved for life insurance or disability insurance. So don't do that. And you can't go like rock climbing, you can't go motorcycling, you can't go scuba diving, you can't go skydiving. You can do those things, but if you hurt yourself doing those things, you won't get the money payout. This is what happens. If you get disabled, you make a claim with the insurance company, and they will send you to not your doctor, but one of their doctors for them to diagnose you. And I just imagine that it's difficult to get a diagnosis from them compared to getting a diagnosis from your own PCP. But let's say they approve it, and they say, yes, you are disabled, you can't work. Well, then they can decide whether or not they want to just pay out, which they usually don't want to, or they want to just settle at a lower amount. And that's what happened to my friend. She was supposed to get $150,000 until she was 65. She got disabled at 27, so I guess she would have made $1.8, $1.9 million over the years. And instead, they just settled at $1 million payout right then. So it's kind of like winning the lottery. You can kind of decide if you want long-term payments, which I guess it's not winning the lottery because they won't do that. You just get a payout just to shut you up. So I still pay for that. I'm going to pay for it until I'm about 60 years old, because at that point I'm hoping I have enough money that I can just retire, and if I become disabled I can just support myself.